A field trip to Lung Kwu Tan. Lung Kwu Tan is located at Tuen Mun. It's a popular recreational site with barbecue facilities and a lookout for Chinese white dolphins on the nearby hilltop. It's also an ideal place for conducting field trips. We're going to visit 3 stations, X, Y and Z, as shown on the map. First, we'll climb up the hill to the lookout, that is, Station X. Here we arrive at the lookout for Chinese white dolphins. The sea we are facing is called the Urmston Road, where Chinese white dolphins commonly occur. Over the hill are the Castle Peak Power Station and Lung Kwu Tan. On the man-made slope of the lookout, we can see some natural granites lying on the slope. Examine these granites. Can you identify the major minerals, i.e. mica, quartz and feldspar? To know the size of the mineral grains in granite, we can choose and measure 10 crystals on the granite surface and calculate the average of all the readings. Generally speaking, the size of crystals depends on the cooling rate. The deeper the formation, the slower the cooling rate, and the larger the crystal size. Since granite is formed deep underground, slow cooling occurs, forming large mineral grains. Let's focus on this granite boulder on the man-made slope. There is a distinct difference in color and shape between this boulder and those surrounding granites. Do you know why? This granite boulder has been exposed to the air for a long time. Oxidation occurs as iron reacts and combines with oxygen. This produces a rusty color. Although the surrounding rocks are also granites, they are cut rocks. The fresh surfaces show the texture and mineral composition clearly. All rusty parts are removed. Now, we will move on to Station Y, shown on the map, to look for another boulder. We can see cracks on this boulder, and vegetation grows in the cracks. Do you think they are in some ways related? Alternate heating and cooling causes an alternate expansion and contraction of the rock. Cracks on the rock are enlarged. Cracks help trap the soil. As they are sheltered spots, wind speed is low and relative humidity is high. Such environment is suitable for plant growth. As plant roots help enlarge the cracks, more water can penetrate into the rock. This favors chemical weathering, which further weakens the rock structure. The boulder eventually develops into the present form. Let's take a look at this geographical feature at Station Z. Do you know what it is? Good, they are rills. Rills are narrow channels without vegetation cover. Coarse sand occurs on the slope. Scattered vegetation is found between rills. Do you know how they are formed? Granites